Hey everybody, what's crack-a-lackin'? I got box number 2 of 5 2018 Topps Fire Baseball. As you know, I dig this stuff, and I'm very happy to have been able to buy, a couple of boxes. Well, 5 boxes to be precise. There are 20 packs in this, and that takes a minute to open, so I'm going to get right to it. You do get one autograph, and you get one mem card. As I discovered in the last box, you can get parallels in the mem card. I actually got a Clint Frazier numbered to 75 and a decent autograph. If you want to see who that was, go back and watch video number 1. While I'm talking about that, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. I'm always posting new videos. If you love cards and want to see this stuff be opened, I do sell most of this stuff, everything except for Mike Piazza cards, which go in my PC. So if you ever want to be the first to grab anything that I pull, then you can watch it come right out of the box. A lot of stuff goes on eBay, but some stuff goes into my online store. You can also buy stuff directly by emailing me. The email address is below. We can just do PayPal invoice, no big deal. I'm very, very, very reasonable with the prices and shipping. So, well, there's my little sales pitch for the day. Clint Frazier rookie to start out. Beckham, A-Rod red parallel. I love the look of these parallels. Archer, Rizzo, and Upton. I'm not as organized as I should be as far as base cards go, but anything you've seen me open recently, I can probably help you with filling sets. Just let me know. You can email the numbers that you need. The names would help, but numbers good enough because I can go to a checklist. There's an Ichiro insert, Flaherty rookie, and look it up and see, you know, if I can help you get your sets made. There's a Robles rookie, Shoop, Will Myers. I don't know why that was upside down. It's typically not. Kane, Shaw, Barreto. I've already opened a couple of boxes of this, so I am sitting on a lot of these base cards if you're trying to make this set. Bellinger, McMahon rookie, Gordon, Mark Reynolds, again upside down. There's a Hoskins rookie. Hicks rookie, Woodruff rookie, Brinson, Garrett Cole, Castro, Cozart. Other things I've opened a bunch of lately, Prism Football if you need those, Chronicles Baseball. There's a Baez parallel. This should be numbered, yep, to 99. It's the purple. Good bit of Topps Archives if you're trying to put together. That's a pretty big set, so if you need help with that one, I think I've got that listed on eBay. 10 cards for $1.95. Springer, Randy Johnson, Craig Kimbrell. Typically that's usually how I do it. It's usually 10 cards for $1.95 or $1.49. There is a Salvador Perez patch to 25, so let's take a look at that. Wow, it's a patch autograph. That is a beautiful, I mean, it's a tiny little thing, but it's still really nice. Number to 25. That's a nice little hit. Sweet. So I don't know, does that count? I guess that counts as my autograph. Surely not as my relic, since it does have an auto on it. Well, let's keep going and see. There's a Boggs parallel. Stevenson rookie. I did open a lot of other football Kiermaier parallel. Elite. There's Judge and Chipper Jones. What else? What else? What else? I just cleared out all my empty boxes. That would have helped me. Oh, Phoenix and Illusions. I have a lot of Illusions. Those are absolutely gorgeous cards. Nope, I did get another autograph. I'll be damned. A double auto box. Victor Arano, rookie. Sweet. That's a really nice box. Let's see what else we can get out of here. Fired up Scherzer, Melee rookie, Ford. Yeah, I was sure that Salvador Perez was going to count as the autograph, and I was wrong. Doolittle, Kershaw, AJ Pollock insert, Molina, Goldschmidt. Alcantara, Bell, Lowry parallel. This is numbered to 299. Altair parallel to 199. So back-to-back colored parallels. Dustin Fowler rookie and a McCutcheon. Simmons, Clemens, Reese Hoskins rookie insert. Bird, Severino, Smith, rookie. Olson, Kluber, Devers, rookie. McGuire, parallel. Ortiz and Dave Winfield. Dansby, Jeter, Nolan Ryan, Bader rookie, Fulmer Chapman. Sims rookie. O'Neal, red parallel. Definitely some good parallels this time around. Lopez, Koufax, Mookie Betts, Donaldson, and George Brett, and the last pack of this box. McCovey, Rosario rookie, a fired up Correa, Renfroe, and Banks. Take a look at this again. Sweet. Very, very, very nice box. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe. Hit that little ding dong bell if you want to be notified of new videos. I try to post just about every day. I was on a good long streak of posting every day, and then I got crazy busy with work, and so it's kind of been every other day, but I've got tons of good stuff coming up, so be ready. Everybody take care. I'll be back soon.